we got another big feature that just hit Quote Happily, and it's your pricing table. You know for a fact you see this all the time. Some Excel pricing sheet, version 900 million, final, built by some dude that retired a long time ago. It's all crazy, it's all bananas, but it really comes down to a table. In Quote Happily, we can replicate this functionality even better. Check this out. So you select your 1 to 10 users, you got $30. You got your 50, 31 to 50, $100. It all boils down to a pricing table, no matter how crazy the Excel spreadsheet is. This is what we're doing to throw this Excel spreadsheet out of the game. So let's pretend we're selling birthday party, right? We got this cool arcade. We're gonna have a birthday party there. In our price book, we can actually look at a property. So we're overriding by a pricing table. We look at a property on the product. We're gonna use the number of guests property. So if it's 1 to 2, and keep in mind, this is a number property. This works with drop downs too, or enumerable properties is a better way to say it. So for 1 to 10, $30, 11 to 30, $70, you have your ranges to which you have a fixed price for each one of those values. This is what you do in your admin. Let's check out on the sales side. I got my deal. I'm going to create my quote. So once my price book is set, I can now add a line called birthday party. I can set that, and I can actually change. You see that I have my number of guests. I can actually put in 50, and that's going to change the list price. But let's go back to that table, and we could see that I've intentionally left a gap. So there's no value for 51. But if I add that 51, check what happens. Out of range. I can check the pricing table and see what prices every single value is going to be based upon the table. So now when I jump back into 50, I've got my list price correct. Go to 54, I've got my list price correct. So again, this works for numerical values as well as drop-down values so that you can easily quote the exact thing you need to do. No multiple SKUs, just use a product property and get a pricing table.